So what is happening? Where are we at?
We're in the middle of the ocean.
What are we doing? We're going back
to shark hunting. Stingrays.
We're no longer a car channel anymore.
No, we're going to Nanaimo to recover 2 67 Corvettes.
Awesome.
One coupe, one convertible.
Oh, sick. Do they drive?
No.
Oh, cool.
We got the whole crew with us today.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Big Corvette guys.
So we have to extract them essentially. So it's going to be a bit of an adventure.
What's the story behind them?
They're part of an estate.
Oh, okay.
So we got opportunity to purchase it as a whole lot. So today's sort of discovery day as to what we actually bought.
Yeah.
No take backs.
To see.
Yeah.
There's no refunds on this vehicle, so hopefully we did okay.
Yeah. Apparently this guy was like a big time Corvette collector. He's like got all the things.
New Balance.
We're really
New
jean shorts. He's got the whole setup. Corvette t-shirts. Came with a dozen Corvette t-shirts. So yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Awesome.
Magazines, books.
Oof.
He's got the whole setup.
Sweet. Well, it's gonna be a glorious trip.
The keys even came with a Corvette keychain.
No way.
Real deal.
Oof. Wait, since you got the Corvette, did you get the New Balances too, or you look like you're wearing normal shoes?
No, I got the Nikes. I'm not a Corvette guy.
You might
Maybe once we get around them, maybe I'll make that transition.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We'll pick him up some jean shorts at Walmart after.
I'm hoping these guys will intervene if I start getting New Balance cravings. Oh man.
Oh my God.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella.
Ooh, it's like a burgundy. Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's nice paint too.
Here's the reveal on this one.
I figured with paint it would recently.
Oh shoot.
We gotta
Nice.
we just gotta do a nice little cut polish on them, like a little buff them up a little bit.
Oh my God, that interior looks brand new. Oh, smells nice too.
It smells like a Corvette. It smells like an old car.
This is my favorite part of this whole car right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So almost reminds me of the 300 SL.
Take it easy. It's like a Ford GT.
I mean, except it's not a gullwing
Those are
door.
door pins.
They never made a split window in this year?
No, split window.
63.
That was only 60.
Yeah, 1 year. Yeah.
Corrected it.
I know. I'm like, ah.
Everybody wants a split window, but you couldn't see out of it.
Elvis, you gotta check this.
What's happening?
So organized in here.
Oh yeah,
Those
he's got.
mains, brand new
Oh
fucking
shoot.
rods,
Look at this wall over here. It's
full
got all
sets of
that.
pistons.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, look.
Everything labeled.
Yeah, but look at this. What's this drawer?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Here's the Holly section.
Okay, that's pretty
The
cool.
end one has even more carburetors in it.
Wow.
And then has that one high riser thing in there.
Like everything. Look at.
It's got a TPI high rise in there.
So you bought everything?
Yeah. We gotta get all this out of here.
There's all.
This over here.
Oh shoot.
All brand new, ready to go in. Everything's new.
Like he was hoarding all this Corvette stuff.
Oh, look at this.
Rat.
Yeah, there's like
Oh
10 of
yeah.
them. And then there's like
Water pumps,
brand new boxes of
Really?
Keith
Mul-
Black pistons,
multiple water pumps.
cranks, blocks, heads.
So organized.
It's crazy.
These are good filters, these ones.
Wow.
You should just put that underneath your pocket.
Mint in box.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah, it's literally in the box. Like he hasn't opened any of that
Yo, look at
stuff.
all those ones, the tanks.
That's insane.
Yo, it's all brand new.
I want that auto art car. Oh shit. That's a sick one.
Oh, that's cool, man. I've never heard of this though. First.
First time I heard of it.
Nah. That was really good.
Are you guys finding all the stuff?
Yeah.
What do we do first? Loading the van or car first?
Yeah, what do
I'm
we
gonna go
do?
bring the van down first and start loading it. And then we'll work on the car.
So what are we unloading here?
Anything car related.
Anything's car related. Right,
If it says Corvette on it, then
What was this? The Homer, that's a car. Does it got tack? Well, it's like a
5,000.
5,000 miles, kilometers?
Yeah.
What's the kilometer on it? It's gotta be pretty low.
73,000, okay?
Still low though for
Pretty
60s.
decent.
It wouldn't be that hard to get it running as long as the gas isn't completely.
It'd be such an
rancid.
adventure.
He would have drained the gas out of this thing.
Yeah.
No,
These things are probably meticulous, man. This is like it's got stable in it. Like I can already see it.
Yeah, he's got all the shit in there.
Fuel stable.
Yeah.
It's ready to rock, man.
We gotta start hyping it.
Oh yeah, it hasn't run exactly. That's how the videos start.
Cut the Rob, just like arm out the window.
Pan
back is
we
on
could
the
do that
trailer.
easy. Yeah, let's do that. That's a good one.
That's good. Look at there.
Right over the hill. Does it have
Stop there,
brakes?
stop there.
So, what is the plan for this one?
This one, I'm hoping somebody steps up and turns it into a survivor car. So, if you want a Corvette,
Hit us up.
hit us up. Roadster Shop, LT4. This
That
is
would
the
be so
one.
sick.
This is the perfect candidate for that.
Yeah, it's cool. Is this original? Like everything original or no?
Everything's original except for it's been repainted.
Okay.
But other than that, this thing is
And what motor is in it?
327.
Yeah, give us a mini tour before we load it up.
Well, let's pop the hood.
Yeah.
It's low miles, right? Like, stuff never wore out like that back in the day, and it's a Corvette, so it's not like somebody dailied it.
Got that old school
Yeah.
big fat tire look.
Got the BFGs on
It's
it.
probably original.
Pop the hood, right?
Can I get a cover on it right away so the paint doesn't fade?
It's like new, this thing.
Rob's already-
It is so
mini
clean.
tubs in it.
This one's a 327 automatic car, and the other one's a 327 4-speed car.
Oh, okay.
So,
I think that's what I got.
other than the automatic, it's a pretty cool car.
How even still, man? Just the driver, like, just hop in it, cruise. It's just a cool car.
It's a very sick car.
Well, back in the day.
Tim's gonna become a Corvette guy.
I'm not even a Corvette guy. I don't even like Corvettes.
I don't know.
But this is a pretty cool car.
There's a set of New Balance inside that I think are.
Probably my
Ooh, that will
size.
fit
Let's
you
check it out.
I
perfectly.
think they might be his size.
in there too.
It's like a Cinderella story. The New Balance.
If it fits you.
We saw the video of Tim before when we were coming here, and on the way out, he's got khakis and a dress shirt. like
Yeah,
this.
before and after. So it's not. Oh, I guess the carb is not on it. Shoot.
No
We
carburetor.
have 14 of them. One
One of them.
Pick one. Just
I know.
And the starter's missing, but I saw the starter in the
I
box.
packed out 5
We're
starters.
Well, I mean that's pretty easy to fix. Just roll it.
It's
Oh,
automatic.
we can't bump start.
Oh shoot.
Probably needs battery, gas.
alternate.
Needs a
Yeah.
couple things.
50 miles an hour and just put her in drive.
Oh, they're all disc brakes too. Like all around. That's pretty cool.
This is actually a very optioned out car then.
Are those dog hairs in the back?
The glides in there.
There's some animal living in there.
Yeah, I had a cat.
Or a rat was
Took
just
his
living
cat
there?
for a ride in the Corvette. That's the most
where's all the
Corvette
glove
thing I've
boxes?
ever heard.
These are fucking cool, eh? These spark plug wire protectors. All this.
Yeah.
This is really neat, man. Like only the Corvette had it. What?
Brett's going on YouTube Plus. If we removed all the cursing you just did in the YouTube video, it's just like spark plugs.
Yeah.
Forgetting he's filming.
It's fired up, man.
This is cool. Oh, man. Glasses in good shape.
That's amazing.
Look at this old school stuff. Huh?
Ah.
Yo, we see that Millennium bottle.
I'm gonna pop it right now. It doesn't look like
Production control, whatever.
it's homemade because it doesn't have a.
Oh, is that like moonshine?
No, it's like sparkling wine.
No, yeah,
I'm sure how to drink this.
Oh my
look at that,
gosh.
Fuck, that looks sick. You better film this shit.
He's actually. I know. Steve.
Oh, it didn't have much pop.
Oh my gosh.
It's flat. It's not sparkling anymore. Sorry, guys.
I can't believe you just drank that.
I know, it's like 50
Sealed
years
bottle.
old.
You drink tequila out of sealed bottles all the time.
It's so true.
Like,
It's not like
let's do some
alcohol
math.
doesn't go bad.
Yes, alcohol sterilizes.
It just got flat.
Like it just.
That thing is a beast.
It's a workhorse, eh? It handled this car like nothing. It was actually, and that's a steep hill too.
How many pounds is what's the max?
I don't know, 10,000? It's pretty big.
Yeah, that's a big pull.
9,000. This is a 9,000
Wow.
9,000 pound winch.
This car is probably 3,500 pounds.
And then plus the extra
Straight
gradient.
up the
Yeah.
hill. I have a little bit of guilt
Why?
because this is not
Oh
how
yeah.
you want to get a car.
Yeah,
but
that's true.
At least you'll get to see it finished at some point.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no haunting.
I don't think there'll be haunting. Maybe if there was going to be, it'd be right now.
Yeah.
Not once we're done with
Start
it.
hearing weird noises in
I
the
think
house.
you'll be pumped with it when we're done.
You look so sketchy. You look like you're up to no good.
I wanted to slip over.
Does it say enlightenment on a spring?
Dashboard Jesus.
All right, well, we've had lunch. We're still trying to soak it all in. It's a little bit overwhelming. So I guess the plan is to get it back, assess the situation, go through everything we got, and then make a plan for the next phase. Unless, of course, you want to buy it right now, then we can make a plan with you.
Yeah. So hit us up if you're
Hit
interested.
us up.
Right away. We can drop it off on the way home.
Yeah.
Hit us up within the next hour.
We can sort it out right away.
Awesome. So we're gonna get the next one later.
Probably a week from now.
Okay,
We got to
cool.
get this back, get it sorted out, sort of catalog everything that we got, and then move on to the next phase of it.
Sick.